Hi friends, thank you for my new subscribers who watch my video, subscribe my channel. This session we have to see how to create the index. So go to SE11, create the object, create, give the short description, delivery class and data browser. Then try to save it, local object, save it, give the data class, then save it, go back. Now give the fields name, ID, department, try to activate the table. Now give the enhancement category, then only activate the table. Can be enhanced deep. Now try to activate the table. Go to technical settings. Give the size category 0. Then save it. Activate the table. Now we have to create the index for this table. Okay. So go to indexes. We have create the index. Okay. Create. Click create index. Index name. Give the short description. This is the fields which we have already created for the table. So select all the fields for the index. Save it, activate it. Go back. The table was active. Select, click S, Now go to indexes. Yeah, we have created, right? So this is the way create the index. Thank you for my new subscribers. Please subscribe my video.